guys, so today I'm here with this new hair package. I'm so excited to jump into it because it's a braided wig. So the actual site that this wig is from is Fancivivi. I only got a pair of wig caps, and then I got a pair of lashes here and some, you know, accessories you could put in your braids if you want to. And then lastly, in the bag, this is just a card, you know, with more information and stuff. So I'm so excited. This wig is definitely some inches. It's 36 inches long. Yeah, 36 inches, girl. We are working with some inches, and I love that it's not too dense. Like, there's not too many plaits. In the past, I've experienced that with some wigs where it's kind of like too much like braids, and that will kind of contribute to it being too heavy and stuff. So I'm happy that this looks really nice and realistic. Like, I love the way it looks. So if you notice, it's giving natural scalp, like it's giving scalp. So this is 100% hand tied with baby hairs around. As you can see, you see it's like a 360 vibe. And this allows for just a seamless hairline transition. No bumps, no lumps, no gaps. And you know, it's very realistic. So I'm very pleased. I love the way they finesse the edges and stuff there. And you know, it doesn't come with a scent. Even though it's synthetic, it really doesn't have a scent. It's very neatly done. Like, the construction looks so good. And it's of a natural color, as you can see, like a 1B. And even though it's braided, yeah, it have that little weight there. Yeah, now I'll get rid of that, but it's not super heavy. So it's like, for a braided wig, not super heavy, pretty lightweight for a braided wig. Yeah, so I love that. Also, even though it's synthetic and stuff and it's braids, it doesn't, you know, that itchy, sticky feeling you get from braids. It's soft. You know, it's very soft. So inside of the wig look like this is a full-on lace wig, full lace wig, no wefts. So right throughout the wig, cap is gonna look like scalp, right? And then it has this extra elastic adjustable strap inside to make it more secure, and then adjustable straps in the back. Combs are also in there, you know, 3 combs, so that's really nice. And then, you know, it's really nice box braids. Like, look at that. Neatly done. Neatly done. And I mean, you couldn't ask for a better construction. So you could literally just save time and money getting this wig. If you feel for some box braids, you could really save time and money by just getting this wig rather than going to sit down at the salon for hours and hours, you know? Because everything that you want is already on this wig. Like, it looks so good. So now that I show you guys everything pretty much, let's go ahead and jump into installing this. I'm really excited because I'm gonna install this with some glue. So let's go. You see how the back looks? Yeah, man, it's definitely a win. I don't know, guys, I've just noticed that I'm adjusting the strap that came on the inside, and it has these little things here, so they're kind of rubbery. So what I realized is they really hold. Anywhere you adjust the buckle to, it will literally hold it so well, so it will not slip while it's on your head. So that security that you're looking for is definitely guaranteed, because these, they like guarantee a non-slip kind of hold to it. So that's really genius of them to do the elastic band this way. Oh my god, wow. Guys, this is the flattest braided wig I've ever applied. It's not even on properly yet. And this is why I did a ball cap method, because you see how it's giving that scalp like vibe right through, like, girl, and it's soft, like the braids are soft. What? No man, them one. So of course it's a little bit longer, so I'm gonna end up having to probably cut off one of the plaits to make it fit my hairline. You see it flat? I never see one braided wig me get so flat yet. Ratty. This do good, girl. So now that I cut away the excess on the ears, because all I really needed to do, it was so easy because I know it's one braid from the ear portion. You know, it's really easy to eyeball, and so now it fits perfectly. So I'm doing a glue install, and I'm so happy because it's actually light for real, like on the head. Yeah, usually like sometimes you'd feel the weight when you put it on your head, but this, oh my gosh, guys, I can't tell me this is the most realistic braided wig you've ever seen. I'm definitely going to be rocking this out. Like, I've never even done like knotless braids on my natural hair, so because I don't really like to be confined to one hairstyle too long. So yeah, I've never really explored those braids. I don't do braids that often, so this is gonna be so convenient. So what I'm gonna do, get my Erica J Hold Me Down adhesive, and I'm gonna do this right throughout, and I'll come right back. I'm gonna speed it up, so yeah.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score when I lose my breath, boy you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher.
Guys, so it is, I'm going to use my lace tint. This is in sand, and I'm just going to spray these areas so it's a little bit like more medium brown toned, if you get what I'm trying to say. So, you know, tone it down a little bit. So I pull back the baby hair portions, and I'm just gonna cut away the excess lace. But so far, guys, it looks amazing. Nobody cares if somebody gonna go salon and braid my hair. Like, it is truly gorgeous the way they constructed this wig. Like, it's so realistic. And the lace, top tier. As usual, you guys know I'm gonna put the link if you're interested in getting this wig down below, and all the specifications will be listed down below as well, so go ahead and check that out. Once I'm done, I'm going to like finesse the baby hairs because I like the vibes that it's giving.
Magic, no I'm never letting go, now that I have it with you.
Guys, so this lace is melted. I love how undetectable the lace is. Like, what? So now I can really like finesse these baby hairs. It came with them curly like this, so I can go in further and do what I want to do. I'll probably cut it down a little bit more, but you know that vibe is trending where you kind of do that, you know, the curly dry baby hair vibe. It's not like paste down on your face. So
when you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't want to show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heart be needing, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher, yeah. You take me higher, baby.
guys, no one can tell me I did not go to the salon and just like get fresh braids. Like what? And it is long, like it goes all the way down to like my thigh, like here. It looks so good, guys. Tell me the truth, I rate this a full-on 10 out of 10. Like, I can't complain. Like, the lace, everything easy to blend. Like, you could do less with the edges if you wish. You could do no edges because you could just pull it back if that's what you want to do. But guys, talk the truth, the wig win is the best. I'm saying it right now, it's the best braided wig I've ever had. It's lightweight as well, 36 inches. I love the fact that they really understand that they need to not put too much like braids on the cap, because when you do that it gets really bulky and oversaturated and just like heavy. This is like, the measurement is so on point, like so on point. So now, I mean, you could style this up in so many different, ways. Like, you could just take some at the front here, you could just pull it back, you know, get a clip and kind of just like, you know, look at that, look at that, flat. That is my biggest part. That's not my favorite part of this wig, how flat it lays. Like, oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited to go out with this. Like, just go out and just like be like outside. I mean, I've worn my braided wigs out before, but this one I know I'm gonna wear it and like nobody's gonna notice that I'm wearing a wig. Not happy. Me love the wig. The wig is a 10. It's so nice. So, alright, so we did that style. We can explore something else. You could just go ahead and wear it as is, which is pretty basic. But my go-to is really a half up where I just show you like a pull back vibe. Or you could do like, let's see. I always love to do something like this. If you choose to like you say you're going out, you could like twist it up. But these are so nice and flat. I wouldn't even, but it's all up to you. If you want to do like a nice, you know, side part kind of vibe, you could do it like that. So it would be like, you could literally put it up in a ponytail, you know, because it's a 360 anyways. So not a ponytail, but like a, not a ponytail, but like a bun. You see this vibe? And put baby hairs on the back as well, guys. So you know this is a perfect 360. 360. You know, they have the little baby hairs to kind of just, you know, give it a vibe. Guys! Look, I'm like a scratch CD. Because it's really my best braided wig to date. Tell me what you think down below in the comment section. Because I'm so excited right now. I am so excited. Shout out to Fancivivi for this gorgeous braided wig. Guys, I need you to go ahead and go to my description box. Go to my description box to check out the specs on this wig and the direct link if you're interested in ordering it for yourself. If there's any code available, you could go ahead and make use of it if there's one. And that's it for today's wig look. Oh my god. Thank you guys so much for watching. That's all for now. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay? So just go make up on yourself. Bye.
Every time you hold me